Hi Kels, so today I'm going to be starting my rice water experiment. I saw this on another YouTuber's channel and I thought why not try it. I do want to try and retain as much length as possible, and my overall goal is to get to waist length hair. So I'm going to be trying a few different things over the next coming months to see what grows my hair the best and what I can stick to in order to retain the most length going forward. At the minute my hair currently is a range of different lengths. I measured it last week and the average rate of the growth from this week to last week was about 0.3 to 0.4 inches. Now this wasn't everywhere. This part of my hair at the front and my crown didn't really grow at all. I didn't notice a change in the length, but underneath here and at the back of my hair did see a change in growth. So at the moment my hair currently stands at, here it is 12 inches, under my left ear it is 12.4, under my right ear it is 13.4, which is a huge difference because I had a haircut basically and they cut it uneven. So just click the card if you want to see my experience at the hairdressers and how that went. But yeah, these two sides are slightly different in length. The back at the moment is at 11.8 inches and the crown at the top here is at 15 inches. So what I'm going to be doing is I have my rice water here and I'm going to be using it every single day just on my scalp. Not throughout the length of my hair, just because I don't want to give myself too much of a protein overload. So this is day one and I'm going to be vlogging every single day to update you guys on the progress and how my hair's feeling. So let's go. I actually don't want to mess this wash and go up because it is looking really cute, but hopefully it won't mess it up. Okay, so I pretty much think I've covered my whole head with rice water, so now I'm just gonna give myself a quick scalp massage to make sure it is distributed evenly, and then I will put my hair up in a headscarf and get ready for bed. One thing is that it does smell a little bit starchy, so my head smells a bit like popcorn at the minute, but it's not the worst smell in the world. Fingers crossed that I'm going to see some results with doing this every night. It's a bit of a dedication, but anything for growth. So what my hair looks like. This is day 1 and day 1 hair. Washed my hair yesterday and now I've got loads of volume, but it's fine. I'll come back to you tomorrow with a day 2 update. Peace. Okay, so this is day 2 of the rice water treatment that I've been putting on, and my hair is absolutely fine. I've not noticed any changes or anything. The only thing I'm not enjoying is the fact that I have to keep, as you can see, like my hair has like no definition because I've been going through separating my hair to section it off and spray the rice water onto my scalp, so it is a little bit annoying that I have to keep separating my curls out so much, and I've got loads of frizz, but I only wear it in a bun for work anyway. Day 4 of the rice water treatment and it is still going well. My hair isn't suffering any dryness or protein overload, so far so good. Okay, so day 4 of the rice water treatment, and I've had to co-wash my hair today because my hair was just like really frizzy and had loads of build-up because I just constantly been wetting it and putting product in it. Obviously, the more I have to do my hair, the more I have to separate it to spray it and separate the curls, so it's just like a frizzy mess. So I've just co-washed it, sprayed the rice water and put it in these lovely big twists for bed. So I will see you tomorrow. Day 5 of using rice water. This is what my hair's looking like at the minute. It feels a lot better than yesterday before I co-washed it, just because I had a lot of build up, but now, yeah, it feels pretty alright today, to be honest. So all good. Day 5. Day 6 of rice water treatment, and today was wash day. I literally washed my hair, deep conditioned it, and used a moisture deep conditioner, just because obviously of all of the proteins I've been putting in over the week with the rice water. I used a Meal Organics moisture DC, and then after I rinsed it out I went and sprayed the rice water into my hair for the last day. I've got one more day, which is tomorrow, and then I will measure to see the growth. So yesterday was the last day of my rice water treatment, so today I'm going to measure my hair and I'm going to let you know if it's grown or not. The front last week was at 12, and I'm just going to get these 2 bits of hair, what I got last week, and measure from here all the way down. So my front is now coming in at 12.6, which is odd, which means it's grown. Right here, this was 13.4 last week, so let's see if this has grown. This is, oh, you can't even see it. Okay, this is 13.6, so that's like 0.2. The left ear was 12.4 last week. Okay, this is 12.6 as well, so that's 0.2. The back was 11.8. My back is really short. Okay, so that is saying that's the same, 11.8, and the crown was 15 inches last week, and this is now 15.2. Overall, kind of an average rate of growth. I'm not going to say it's astounding. It's definitely not what I saw on the other video, but I'm going to keep using the rice water anyway over a period of time to see if it helps with my length retention. My hair feels okay. Like, I didn't see any protein overload or anything like that, so it didn't do any damage to my hair, but it was kind of annoying having to wet my hair every single night. Yes, so that was a downside to it. I wouldn't really recommend that because my hair was never really dry and I was always going to bed with like damp hair. I definitely feel like it's helped with the amount of hair that I have lost due to just like daily shedding. I don't feel like I shed a lot of hair last week when it came to my wash day, so in that sense it was good. But I'm going to keep doing the rice water and monitoring my hair growth because my goal is waist length hair when it's straight. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see some more challenges like this and other hair tutorials. See you next time.